Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you guys had a great week, all right? It's Friday, May the 16th. We have made it to day number 37 of this My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge, all right? So we're climbing along here, guys. I'm back with another video, guys, to show you guys how to send out an email with this method, guys, and how we're using the Clickbank network to promote their offers to earn income. Okay, sending them to the mileage and secret system. Now, if you guys are new to this video, please go back and watch the previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Okay, so you can kind of know what it is we're doing. And then you guys can follow along and you can duplicate what I'm doing. Okay. Now, if, like I said, if you haven't, you don't know anything about what's going on, what we're doing here, guys, we're shooting a 365-day challenge. Okay. We're doing a 1 year challenge with one offer from Clickbank. Okay. We're not going to jump around and go to different offers. We're going to promote just one offer. We're going to stick with it for 1 year and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income. Now, if you go back to the beginning of this channel, I did promote other offers on Clickbank, just to show you that other offers do work. Okay, it's not only just this offer that I'm promoting right now. There are other offers that do work with the system. So you can go back to the beginning of this channel. You can kind of see those videos because I did shoot different challenges. Okay, but for this specific challenge, specifically for the 365 challenge, just go to the first day and then you can kind of get up to speed on where we are right now. Okay. We're on day number 37, guys. All right. So we're moving right along here. So let's go ahead and go over here to My Lead Gen Secret system. Okay. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So when you come into the system, this is going to be your back office. It's going to look exactly like this. You're going to collect 100 to 200 leads every single day. Now, what determines that you get 100 or 200 leads is going to be how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret, you can have multiple accounts. Okay. And right now I have 8 accounts. I have 8 different accounts to pick from, and I can go in each account and send out one email per day in each account. All right. So and the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you're going to accumulate. Okay. So, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret, they allow you to have those accounts. And all you would have to do is, if you guys want to get signed up, I did leave a link below this video for you to get signed up. So if you go here under this video, you're going to see this link right here. You just click on that link. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret system and just go ahead and get signed up, guys. It only costs you $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service, which is a no-brainer, okay, on what you're going to get in return. All right. So get started today, guys. Don't mess around with that. All right. So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with the My Lead Gen Secret system over 3 years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. So I can tell you firsthand that this does work. Okay. Now, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything at all because I don't know if you're a go-getter. I don't know if you're going to get multiple accounts. I don't know if you're going to come in here and send out emails every single day. Okay. To get results. I just really don't know. That's why I cannot guarantee you anything. Okay. Just for it's a disclaimer, side of things. Okay. But what I can do is I can guarantee you that if you follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video, okay, and you do it and you're relentless and you stick with it and you do it every day, okay, you will see progress in what you're doing. All right. That's what I can guarantee you. Okay. So this is the My Lead Gen Secret office. If you get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out. As you can see today, I've already sent out my email for today already. Okay. And you can send out your emails today as well. Okay. So, and how you do that is you come over here to the mailing system. These other tabs, guys, you're not going to be messing around with anything in here. This is the My Leads, shows you the leads that are coming in every day. You got your master email swipes that you can pay for additional emails that if you want to pay for those. It does cost you additional $30 for the sake of this video. Okay, the vendor, the offer that we're promoting has free email swipes. Okay, so you really don't have to go in here and buy anything. Okay, it's free. All right. So where you're going to be hanging out at the most, guys, is going to be the mailing system. Okay, this is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay, now let's go ahead and hop on over here to Clickbank. If you guys don't know what Clickbank is a network platform that's going to allow you to promote their offers. They have different categories that you can promote. Okay, and let's go ahead and go to those so I can show you that. If we go to the marketplace here, and then these are the different niches that you have. You have business investing, cooking and food. You got home and garden, self-help, spirituality, e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness. There's tons of different offers that we can promote. But for this traffic, guys, we're only going to be promoting in this e-business, e-marketing. Okay. So the offer that we are promoting is going to be an offer called Live Chat Jobs, which is going to be this first one that's on the list. Okay, now there's other offers that do work. You don't have to promote what I'm promoting. The only reason why I'm promoting this because it has a free trial, I mean a dollar trial, and then it has a rebill of $28 to our customer. Okay, and then we get to keep majority of this $28. So when our prospect signs up, we get $20. Not only do we get $20, right? We're going to get the rebill of $20 over and over and over and over again each and every month. Okay. That's the cool thing about this. So the whole idea here, guys, is to get thousands of signups, thousands of people coming on, and then thousands of people getting rebilled for the service. That's the whole idea, and that's the whole goal here in this method. Okay. That's the whole goal to the madness. All right. So let's go ahead and go here. You want to click on affiliate tab. And when you click on affiliate tab, it takes you to the live chat jobs affiliate page. Okay. So this is where you can go and see all the information for the vendor. If you want to, if you're running paid ads, you see landing pages. It has videos. It got, pay per click, demographics. If you're doing a lot of this stuff is just for paid advertising. That's just a little bit more advanced stuff. And I've already done this for you as well. And that does work as well. Okay. But what we're doing is we're doing another method. We're going to grab these free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. And it doesn't cost us anything. Now, these email swipes, guys, do convert and they do work because I've already promoted all of these right here. Okay, all 20 of these. And then I just go back and promote the same email over and over and over again. And then what you can do if start promoting these over and over, you can go to Chat GPT and we can put this in Chat GPT and have them rewrite this email. So the same email is not going out. It's a different email going out, guys. And we'll get into that later in this challenge. Okay. But for right now, we're just going to use the free email swipes, that we have that we're using right now. Okay. So what we would do is let's go ahead and open up like email 17, so to speak. And this is all the information for email 17. Okay. So what we would do is if you've ever sent out an email in Gmail or Yahoo or Bing or whatever you use for email, then you can do this method. Okay. This is the subject line that we're going to enter in. So you want to take this, copy it, Control C, come over back here to the mailing system. We want to select all, and when this is going to, what that's going to do is going to load all the emails over here to the portal. That way, when we send out, we're going to send out one email and it's going to go to over 52,000 people. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here to the subject line, Control V. We're going to paste that in there. Super easy to do. And then we're going to click on perfect timing. Okay. It's because we want our email to go out right when our prospect is looking at emails. Let's go ahead and grab the body right here. This is the body text. Okay. We want to grab the body and grab all of this. Just highlight it. Okay. And just grab all of it, copy it, and then Control C. Okay. This is going to be the link that we're going to use with this email because it's congruent with that email. So you come here, Control A, and then Control V. Boom. Super easy. You see how easy that was? All we did was take an email from over here, put it over here. Super easy. Okay. And where it says hide name, we want to take that out and we want to come here to the embedded codes and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So Control C, come down here and Control V. Okay. Very easy. Boom. So that way, when we're addressing our prospect, and I like to make this bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys choose. this email is going to go out. It's going to say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is. Okay. Whatever our prospect's name is, it's going to address them by their first name. Okay. And it's going to be tailored to our customer. And where it says click here, what we want to do is we want to turn this into a clickable link. So click on this link tab. And this is how you make it a clickable link. You come down here. All right. And let's go ahead and go all the way down. And then we want to grab this link. Okay. Control C. And right here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, we want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay. That's very important. Okay. You don't want to leave it blank. You want to put in this right here. You want to put in whatever your Clickbank affiliate ID is, guys. All right. So let's Control C. And then we want to come back here and we want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay. Boom. Don't put in Jermaine. Okay, put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Whenever you create your account for ClickBank, okay, at clickbank.com, whatever you create your username to be, that's what you're going to put your username right here. Okay, click on OK. What that does is you can see here, guys, it turns this into a clickable link. Okay, so when our prospect clicks on this, it takes them to our affiliate page. All right, so let's go down here. There's another click here. We want to turn that into a clickable link as well. Boom, and then Control V. You come back here, take this out. If you try to send this email out with no affiliate ID in it, you're not going to get paid. You'll never get paid, guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on OK. And what that does, look, turns that into a clickable link, and we're done. So what we would do, we want to preview this ad, and you want to click on either. There's going to be two tabs, right? I've already sent out my email already. Okay, so there's going to be two tabs. One is going to say preview, and one is going to say submit now. Okay, what we're going to want to do is we want to preview that ad. Click on the link, make sure that it works, that it goes to your affiliate page. Okay, and then once it goes there, we want to click on send now once we find out that it does go to our affiliate page. Okay. That's exactly what we want to do. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the system. All right. So if you're someone who is looking for, you know, if you're new to affiliate marketing, if you're looking for extra income, whether that be to pay maybe a grocery bill, you need food, put food on the table, you need to pay that electric bill that's high, maybe a gas bill, maybe your rent, okay, maybe your mortgage payment, okay. Maybe you have a car, you got a car payment, or you got a couple of cars that you need to get paid, and you need some extra income to pay those bills. Okay, this is the income that you can use to help pay those bills. All right, I cannot stress that enough, guys. This is the extra income that's going to help pay those loose bills. Okay, now if you want to take this thing to the next level and earn a full-time income from it, okay, pay pay a lot of, pay majority of your bills. Maybe you can earn maybe anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. Okay. Doing this method, you're going to have multiple accounts and you're going to have to stick with this over a year. All right. So that's the only way to make this thing work, guys. This is a commitment and this is something that you have to make a priority. All right. That's very important because a lot of people that come in and they try to do this method and they end up quitting because they don't see results after a day, after a week, after a month. They don't see anything. Okay. What you have to do is you have to send out emails every single day. Okay. And maybe your breakthrough will come through the first week, right? Maybe your breakthrough will come in the first month. Okay. Maybe it will take you 3 months, maybe 6 months before this thing starts, climbing and starts taking off for you. All right. That's very important that you stick with this until it starts working. The thing about me and how I got started just a little bit, I'm not trying to, get on the soapbox with you guys and complain, but guys, it took me months before I started to see results. Okay. But what kept me motivated is that me watching other people do this and know that they're doing it and they're making it work. Why can I make it work? Right? There's no difference between me and that person who's doing the same thing that I'm doing. Right? There's other people out there making more money than I am doing this. Okay. Making $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 doing the same thing that I'm doing. Okay. But there's no difference between what that person is doing and what I'm doing. The only difference is that person is sending out emails every day. They're motivated. They have multiple accounts. Okay. That's the only difference. Okay. So, you see me in this video series, you see me making money right in front of your eyes. Okay. I'm getting sales. I'm getting, new sales. I'm getting rebills. All that stuff is going to start happening, guys. So, I've been doing this for a few years. That's why I can come back and tell you guys, I can show you guys that this does work. Okay. Cause I've been doing it. All right. I'm never going to, with this channel, what you can depend on from True Freedom, go ahead and subscribe to this channel below. Okay. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel below if you're watching this video, because everything that I'm doing on this channel is going to be something that I've already done and I've already made money from it. I'm not going to come here with some new program and trying to get you guys to you know, jump on the bandwagon because I'm doing it. No, that's not what I'm doing. I've already done this. Okay. So I know this works. Okay. But you have to be motivated. This traffic right here, guys, look, this traffic is cold traffic. Okay. What that means is that these people got to get warmed up to you before they start buying from you and trust you. Okay. So you have to send out emails long enough to get them to trust you, and then they'll start buying from you. All right. So let's go ahead and go. We sent out an email yesterday. All right. And I just want to see if we earned a commission. Now, we did get a rebill yesterday. We earned money yesterday. If you go back and watch yesterday's video, today is May the 16th. I just want to briefly go through this. Today, we did get over 1,000 hops, which is really good. Okay. And we got 600 unique hops. Okay. 600. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our page, and they looked over everything. Okay, and we're getting the clicks, we're getting the traffic. Okay, now unfortunately, we didn't get any initial order from impressions. Okay, usually we get those every single day. Someone going to the checkout page and they're deciding to buy for whatever reason. Today's Friday. People are out. People are probably not thinking about emails right now. We didn't get any initial sales today. All right. And we didn't get any rebills yet. Now, as you guys seen yesterday, we got a sale yesterday. That payment will be coming to us. What's it? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It'll come Sunday. Okay. Now, the whole idea here, guys, is to get initial sales every single day. So I'm going to be looking at not necessarily this, but I'm going to be looking at this. Okay. Because I know if I got this, then this is coming. Okay. So we're looking for initial sales. Unfortunately, today is just not the day for us. Okay. There's going to be days like that where you're not going to hit. All right. But the cool thing, what I was telling you guys before, if you guys been following these videos, if you guys this first 30 days, all the sales that we made from the first 30 days, and we made sales from the first 30 days, all of those people are going to get rebilled for the service this next set of 30 days. So what you're going to start seeing here, I'm just trying to give you a glimpse into the future. Okay. You're going to start seeing rebills from the first 30 days, and you're going to start seeing the new sales that we have as well. So those $20 payments, the rebills, 40, 60, they're going to start stacking. Okay. And so as the months progress, we're going to be getting up there 40, $60 a day, right? $80 a day, $100 a day, right? That's what we're looking for, guys. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take any more of your precious time. I know your time is valuable as well as mine. I only want to come in and show you results and how to do stuff, okay? So I'm going to end this video on that note. I came in, I showed you how to send out an email in the MileageGen secret system. So you guys know how to do it. Get started at the link below this video. So you guys can follow along with me and we can do this journey together. This 365, we can do it together, guys. And then we didn't get any initial order form impressions today. We didn't get no sales, right? And we didn't get no rebuilds, right? I'm not gonna pout my head. I'm not gonna hang my head low. I'm gonna come back in. I already sent out my emails tonight. I'm gonna come back in here tomorrow and see how we did. All right, keep your head up. All right. But I'm going to end this video on that note, guys, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I'm going to see you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Talk soon. Peace.